Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I made goat stew served over white rice and I would like to share that with you. So let's get started. So the first step is to brown the goat. This is for the depth. So I have heated ghee in the Dutch oven and to it I am going to add the goat pieces and brown them from all the sides. The brown meat tastes more savory. So in the beginning I mentioned that I'm making goat stew. So stew is where meat and veggies are cooked slowly in small amount of liquid, uses gentle heat and has thick hearty consistency. It relies on thyme and not heavy on spices for the flavor. It focuses more on natural flavor of the meat, less spices and heat, less oil. The second step is to build the base. In the same pot, I'm going to add onions and I'm going to cook till they are soft. To it, I'm going to add ginger garlic and saute until fragrant. Time to add the tomatoes and cook until the ghee separates. Spice gently. I am adding coriander, cumin, paprika, pepper. Stir for about 30 seconds. Do not burn the spices. Return goat to the pot. Add a couple of bay leaves and a stick of cinnamon and add a stock or water. Add salt. Cover and cook 1.5 to 2 hours, stirring occasionally. So after 70 minutes of slow cooking, I am checking the doneness of the meat. It's hot. It breaks. It is cooked, but still more. So about 25 minutes more, and this is the time to add the potatoes. So the meat, potatoes, as well as the carrots, they all cook together. Mix it together. Also, it is now the time to check salt and add it as per the taste. Cover and cook for another 20 to 25 minutes. So after 1.5 hours, the stew is ready. Goat, potatoes and carrots well cooked. Finally adding 1 teaspoon of ghee and half a teaspoon of cinnamon and cloves powder, and just mix it together, not to cook it, just blend the spices and the ghee, and the stew is ready. Serve it on a white rice.